Morning, everyone. December 31st, New Year's Eve. Saying goodbye to 2025, thankfully. Hopefully, next year is a little bit better. But yeah, I think I'll just be older and fatter. So anyway, let's get into what sold, or let's pull packages, or you know what I mean. Yesterday I finished at 117. I like the little progression up from 70 something, and 1460 today so far. I still have that one card, $85 card on layaway. It's coming up on a week, so I don't know how they'll handle an offer for international. I don't know if they have to like prepay, but I can't send an invoice for international. So that's kind of annoying. The person has great feedback, like 2,300 feedbacks, all positive. Leaves positive feedbacks, but you know what? It was a $127 card. I accepted pretty much $50 off, and you think they would pay quickly. You know what the shipping is going to be. I don't know. Hopefully they pay. It's a nice sale just to let piss away. Not much going out. What's going out? 11 orders, 13 orders, 124. So that's that. AT15. I did list yesterday. That kind of surprised me. AT15. Seems like it took forever. It took a couple hours. It was some of the heavy hitters I got at the York Postcard show. So there was a lot of research, comping needed to be done. And why are we going that way, John? Putting everything upside down. I usually don't do it that way. There we go. There's that one. Nice Arthur Teal. You know him from the Kitty Cats? He did World War I German propaganda. Well, he did German World War I cards, but everybody knows him. Everybody knows him from the Kitty Cats. I almost lost my train of thought there. So very low key for us tonight. No parties, nothing like that. Getting to a point where it's like, do I have to stay up to midnight? It's usually just do our own thing and look at the TV at 11:59, then in bed by 12:05. EW13. So nothing exciting here. Hopefully I get to list more today. Did go to Costco. I got there. They open. I think they open at 9 for their regular or their exclusive customers, and then 10 for everybody else. Then I got there at like 10:03, and it was already packed. And by the time I left, half hour later, the parking lot was just full. What am I doing? Hammersley Fork, Pennsylvania. Never heard of that. I like these little generic scenic greetings. Not always huge money makers, but some can be. Nope. I think I have another AW here. Let's look. AW12. I knew I might even have one more yet. Should have done a whatnot show tonight. A lot of World War I stuff going out today. Military. Nope, no A1s. They're AWs. Okay, let's see what else. We did that one. Did I pull it? Or did I just... I think I... Yeah, I'm an idiot. Recognized that I had an AW12, and that was as far as my little pea brain took me. Birdsboro, Pennsylvania. A tavern. Cool little card. Let's see. Some of the cards I listed yesterday were over 100. Whether they will sell for that, I don't know. But that's when you can't find a card. There's no previous solds in Worthless Point, and nothing on Terapeak, nothing currently listed. And when you do a Google search and of the image and it doesn't exist, as it exists in like Instagram posts or Pinterest posts, but it doesn't exist as you can find a comp anywhere for it. Those I'm listing high. So whether they sell, again, I don't know, but I'd rather lower the price later than sit and regret that I listed it way too low. I don't know. Small little place in Virginia. Yeah, I got nothing. EV. These are kind of cool cards. It's not embossed. I don't know if it'll pick it up. Maybe 16. I think these are like incised. Maybe that's a more gooder word. AV. There's postcards that they like use a little scalpel and just cut into the paper, and it's not embossed, it's incised. And I don't see them often. I think, did I have another AV? No, I don't think I did. Yeah, let me see if I can pull this up. See this right here? That's actually cut. That's somehow they use a razor blade and cut. They cut under it, and it gives like an embossed or like a bas relief look. They're kind of cool. So I don't see them too often, and I think it's on purpose because you can see the back. The back looks carved. I went $20. I didn't get that. I got 11. Maybe at one time someone was paying $20 for them, but nah, I don't think so. Oh, this is international, maybe? They didn't order 3, did they? No. What's going on here? They only ordered 1. That's international sale, though. There's the one we just picked. And I went ahead and pulled those. So we got World War I Hindenburg General. 2 cards. I don't know what I'm doing. So if you all head out tonight, drink responsibly. Don't need a DUI to start the year. So, hold on. The one Hindenburg card was a little bit it's bigger than a standard card, so I had to finesse it into a sleeve, and I didn't want you to see me struggling with that. Let's see. Boy, these almost need. I may just. They're tight in the tight to back. Oh my God, I'm struggling today. Yeah, I did it. And then this one. If I had a train of thought before I was struggling, I apologize. I don't know what it was. Now this is 1Y30. That usually means I have 2 of those. So I have about 250 cards left from York. Hopefully it would be nice. Hopefully get those listed. I have a lot that I want to send to auction. Still start at $50 to $75 per card, but still I want to send it to auction. Okay, yeah, I do have 2. Which is which? Boy, they look the same. Oh, I could have done that, John. I mean, they look pretty identical. I don't know why I didn't do just multiple quantity of 2. Boy, I don't see a difference at all. Okay, well, I'm going to put the first one. I don't see a difference between the 2. Okay, I think that's it. I should rename this John's Daily Struggle. Anything else come in? Nope, nothing else come in. Okay, everybody, thank you very much for putting up with me. I know the first 9 months of the year I was silent on here, and I guess I think I finished strong. Almost a daily video for the last 3 months. I will do a members video, maybe 2 today. I owe you guys at least 2. Membership $5, $4.99, and I appreciate all my members. So y'all have a great New Year's. I don't think I'll do a video tomorrow. I might if a whole bunch of orders come in tonight. Everybody getting drunk and ordering postcards off of eBay. I might do a video tomorrow. Come see me on, I'll do a video on Friday. So, okay, everybody, thank you very much. Stay safe tonight. See you. Love you. Bye.